Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we'll be doing the charging test of the new Oppo K13. Now, Oppo K13 is the latest 5G device coming with a massive 7000 mAh battery, and this device supports 80W SuperVOOC. So this is the box charger, the bundle charger, 80W SuperVOOC, and this is the device. So here we have a 7000 mAh large capacity battery. We'll just show the about device. So about device, Oppo K13 5G, and you get 7000 mAh battery. This is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chip, and you can see all the details here. So ColorOS 15, and you can see here now 1% of the battery is remaining. So let's get started with the charging test of this device. So 80W adapter, 7000 mAh. Let's see how much time that takes. So let's begin the charging test of the Oppo K13. So let's connect the device to the charger. So we have enabled the fast charging option. So you can see here 80W SuperVOOC. There is a option in the settings to enable fast charging, that's smart rapid charging. Now we have enabled that. So you can see here, this is the option. So we have now enabled it. So now we have started the charging. So let's come back at around 5 minutes of charging and see how much battery this device has. So now we are into 5 minutes of charging the device. So let's check the temperature first. So you can see here 35 degrees. So not much of heating happening. It started off with 33 degrees. So it's now 35 degrees. So let's see the battery at 5 minutes. So you can see here 14% or in fact 15% of the battery is completed in just 5 minutes. That's pretty good actually. 80W SuperVOOC does a really good job. 7000 mAh, 5 minutes, and 15% of the battery is completed. So you can see here smart rapid charge is still on. Now let's see at 10 minutes of charging. So now we completed 10 minutes of charging. Let's see the temperature right now. So 36 degrees. So 1 degree, almost 1 degree increase after the 5 minute mark. Next, let's see the battery. So 10 minutes of charging, we have 24% of the battery completed. So just 10 minutes of charging, 1/4 of the battery is already completed. So that's really fast charging. Next, let's come back at around 20 minutes of charging. So now we are into 20 minutes of charging. Let's see the temperature. So once again 37 degrees, slight increase I would say, but not a major one. So that's the temperature right now. Now next, let's see the battery. So 45% of the battery is completed in 20 minutes of charging. So 45%, 20 minutes. Let's come back at around half an hour of charging and see how much battery the Oppo K13 has. So now we are into around 33 minutes of charging. Let's see the temperature. So it's remaining around 36-37 degrees. So let's see the battery right now. So 71% of the battery is completed in around 34 minutes. So that's the in fact 72% now in 34 minutes of charging. Let's come back at around 45 minutes of charging and see how much battery this device has. So now we are into around 46 minutes of charging. Let's quickly have a look at the temperature. So now it's slightly higher, 40 degrees, but still it's kind of normal temperature. Now you can see here 92% of the battery is completed in 46 minutes of charging. So it's going at a pretty good pace. I would say 80W is doing a good job here. Let's see how much time that takes to fill to 100, and we'll report the final readings for the Oppo K13 5G. So now we can see that in 54 minutes we have 100% battery completed. So 1 to 100% on the Oppo K13, it took 54 minutes. This is the 7000 mAh battery and 70 or rather 80W fast charging. So that's the Oppo K13 with massive 7000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 6 Gen 4. It took 54 minutes to charge from 1 to 100%. So that's the charging test. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.